going to show you her fun haircut. She's my cute cousin, so I'm excited to do her haircut. I'm going to start in the back here, and she doesn't want it blunt back here. She just wants it kind of wispy a little bit. So I'm just going to come in here and point cut into this. So there's some longer, some shorter. Just going to go into it just like this. Okay, see how there's long and short, long and short? Okay, so we're going to leave that. Then we are going to come up here on top, and I'm going to point cut into this. We're going pretty short. She just wants it easy, so she can just dry it, mess it up, throw some product in it, and be done. So, just going to go shorter. Just following her head shape. And then point cutting into it all the way down. Okay, then I'm going to come to the next section. And then you can have, you know, that guideline, that guide point, that hair next to it. So you can, you know, obviously follow that down so it is all even. Okay. All right, now I'm going to come down this way. I want to say it's about a couple inches on top there. Inch and a half. I guess it depends on what your inch is. Okay. Just point cut into this. I'm going to hold this back a little bit because we're going short and she likes this long. So if you hold this back, it just keeps that length a little bit, so when we push that forward, see, you still have a little bit of length right there. Okay, now I'm going to come on this side, point cut all the way down. Okay, now again on this side, I'm going to pull it back so it will fall longer in the front when we push that forward. Okay, now you can double check this by bringing, you know, just grab the hair and come up this way. Same thing on the sides. See how you just come up this way, just to double check. Okay. All right, now we're going to come to her front. She likes her front to kind of come long like this. So I'm going to angle this way. See, from this point, I angle up, and that way it leaves it longer in the front. Okay, now the sides. I'm going to take the sides. I'm going to just pull those up. See, I'm pulling that up, so when I let go, they'll they'll go back down, you know, longer. Okay, she likes to dry it across her face this way. Okay, I am going to come back here and just trim this up a little bit, point cut into this, angle that down. Just barely take those ends off this way, holding it straight out. Okay, in a second I'm going to come and texture all that front, but I'm going to do both sides first. Again, pull it up like this so you have that length. And you go down. And I'm going to just pull this out, take the little ends off, just so it's trimmed good. Okay, same thing on this side is I'm going to just hold this, trim this a little, come on the angle, trim this. Okay, and you're going to want to hold each side and make sure we're even. By the ears. Having fun yet? Mm-hmm. Okay, you're gonna come in, just point cut into this. Same thing on this side. Okay, I'm going to take my razor and just come through this bang area and just kind of take a little bit of some chunks out so it's not so heavy. So when we blow dry it, it's more wispy. She has fine hair, but she has quite a bit of it. So this will be really good to just make it not so heavy, just to take that razor in there a little bit. Okay, I'm going to bring the razor up here, kind of chunk that out a little. Okay. Now I'm going to take my texturizing shears, you guys, and come back through all this. Just want to make this soft back there. She likes that a little wispy. Okay, now I'm going to come and double check her bangs. I kind of want to chunk this out a little bit. Okay, you guys, now we are going to dry her. I'm going to take a little bit through there too, just to kind of soften that, just so it's not so blunt. Okay, I'm going to use the root lifter, so that will help her hair stay up all day. Okay, then I'm going to use the Moxie Magnifying Mousse. It's very concentrated, so you don't need to use very much, which I love. Okay, now we're going to dry. Just going to dry the back down. here. Just lift this out. I'm just going straight out, straight up from the head. Okay, I'm going to take 2 drops of oil. I'm going to rub it in my hands. Then I'm going to just bring it through her hair. This makes it super shiny. It's a very light oil. Okay, then I'm going to take the clay, which is unreal, you guys. This is my new love. It pieces it out, keeps it soft, instead of so sticky. It's just very, very soft and movable. Like tomorrow when she wakes up, by using this product and the hairspray holds, but it's not sticky. I'm used to having it, you know, very sticky so it holds. But this product, like she can wake up in the morning and she'll be able to put her fingers through her hair and it will look amazing. So that's super good. Just looking for my back comb, or so I can back comb. Here we go. I got it, sorry. Just gonna back comb it a tiny bit. Yeah, Tammy come today to get her hair colored and cut, and little did she know she was getting videotaped for today. She didn't know, but she's a trooper, so we appreciate it. I just love her hair, and I wanted to show you guys. So, okay, this is the hairspray. See, and I can spray it, but I can still go in and move it. I'm gonna look at her in the mirror. I'm going to take a little bit through this area. Just take a couple little chunks there. There we go. Okay, you guys, I appreciate you watching. Please like and share and subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. And thank you so much for watching. And have a good day. I am going to turn her around so you can see the back. Just how it's kind of piecey out, you know, back there too. Okay, thank you so much for watching and have a good day, you guys. See ya.